giving Musa khawula money sometimes is just a waste of time because he will come for more. Welcome to 287. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment. We already know by now that Musa khawula cannot keep secret. That's very true, and honestly guys, it's not my opinion. Anyway, Musa khawula did reveal last year that he got 20k from Leroy Sedembe, who is currently dating Mihlali ndamase, guys. For him not to talk about anyone from Mihlali ndamase's side or about Mihlali, guys. So we thought maybe it is over. He's not gonna continue talking about Mihlali ndamase because he got the 20k. Unfortunately, this year is 2023. Musa khawula, he is back. This time he's doing shendi, guys. So Musa khawula posted a picture of Mihlali ndamase without makeup, say Mary Jane without makeup, and fans were really angry at Musa khawula because they just feel like this is not the content that you can post. We already have seen Mihlali ndamase without makeup and she look like this. There's nothing we can do about it. She always complain about acne, about a lot of stuff, about skin and whatever, but at the end of the day, something that she cannot change, or maybe she will change in the future, guys. We don't know. It's not the first time Musa khawula drag. He started by dragging Mihlali ndamase's mother, saying the dress looks so horrible. But in the end of the day, and he did delete the picture, guys. I don't know what is wrong with Musa trying to drag Mihlali because he got 20k. What is wrong with him? Don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment, guys. Tell me in the section, do you think Musa khawula is looking for another 20k?